cultivating this side, they doing the trees. But this from their forefather time, they have kept it as a
Forest officer, chief forest officer. Okay, first we have to see this.
Yeah.
Who issued? Okay.
Yeah, even see the problem here is that there is no independent authority. So obviously, if it is happening, if the map is being made from the West India Hills, they will produce that case, their case, isn't it? It is from our government, then obviously we'll have. So everything is on record. So let us not go there. It is for the government to decide.
Yeah. For the government
We
to
are here
decide.
for immediate solution. Are you getting my point? Both the sides. Yeah. See, do you have any other form of livelihood other than cultivation, other than agriculture? Do you have? Tell me honestly. All of you were here. Do you have any other form of livelihood? Are you very rich people? No. Your livelihood, your yes. Listen to me. If you to ensure two-time meal, you'll have to go to the field and work. So if you keep fighting among yourself, then you will not be able to ensure two-time food also for you, for your children.
Okay.
If you have any other form of livelihood, then keep fighting. But you don't have. So agriculture is the only way of your livelihood, isn't it? To go earn money. So wherever, so if there is a possible solution, then go for it. If you start fighting among yourself, just like what happened some time back, it will not bear any fruit. So the immediate solution is that, see, it is very important for both the communities. That cultivate for you also both ginger, isn't it? It is a commercial product. So that is why I am telling you, kindly don't fight among yourself. We can only come here once in a blue moon and sort issues.
Yes,
it is up to the both the communities that you should understand. Within mutual understanding, you should fix a place which can be used for cultivation only and which is barred for cultivation. If they are saying that let us not use it for cultivation, let us not use it. If tomorrow, if they go to that side and if they start cultivating in your reserve, you will also feel offended.
Yes.
So, are you getting my point? So wherever you have been cultivating for in past year, cultivate there. You have been cultivating alongside, isn't it? There were no issues. So why to approach in a new plot of land which is yet to be resolved by the government? Now, if it is in their possession, so they will obviously have claim it, isn't it? So let us not go there. Government will sort it out in due course. Kindly stay limited to the plot of land where you have been already cultivating. Okay, because for you livelihood is more important. If you keep fighting, police forces will be stationed here. No agriculture will happen. You will die in famine.
Yes.
Police force will be stationed here. Do you want this to happen? No, sir.
No, we don't want to go.
Because it will happen, no? This will happen. Police forces will be stationed here because we are friendly. We are not, they are not part of Pakistan or we are not part of Bangladesh. We both are part of India only. So we are friendly. I am talking to Mr. Panbu, I am talking to Mr. BDO Saab, Mr. Sangma. We all are on talking terms. So we will play, our main concern is to maintain law and order. And for that we will place the police station, police here. Your movement will be hindered. You will not be able to do cultivation properly. So that is why I am telling. Kindly understand. Okay? Please translate whatever I have said.
তাৰ পিছত ইয়াত আলোচনা দেই যেনেকা ফিচাৰীত খাটাছলা তাত আলোচনা আছে আপোনালোকে ইমানলোকে কাম কৰক কাম কৰিব নালাগে নহয় আগৰ পৰা এইটো ভাগ কৰিছিলে তাৰ পিছত এইটো যেটো বৰ্তমান যেটো প্ৰবলেম হৈ আছে এইটো জাগাটো ওয়েলিছ ৰিজাৰ্ভ মানে ইন ফিউচাৰ মানে ঘৰ বনাবৰ কাৰণে কিবা কাটিবৰ কাৰণে এইটো ৰিজাৰ্ভ কৰিছে ইভেন উমখেৰমি মানুহে তাত খেতি কৰা এইটোহে ডিষ্ট্ৰয় কৰি আছে না এইটো মানে তাৰ পৰাহে প্ৰব্লেমটো হৈছে মিডিয়া লাপেন কাৰ্বি আংৰং আৰা ৰাতু ফানান কাৰ্ডম পাজিৰলো ইনি লাংসা প্ৰেছ মিট কি হাংনাং ককলাম থেগে লাহেলো কিদাম তাং মেখলেয়া পেন ke wang chumang atu ye ladake mekhleya alongle pupen umkhermi along hakupen hakisarani pen lake Willis Reserve pu kibiadim nang pri punsi alang tum sai katiki hansu busamenang ederlo langsa puthak se umkhermiarat kachuning ripen disialong chetong dam pen hadak pen alam the pini me straight wangsi hapu mekhleana thupen pustame wang pen kachingwai padu pon lo langsa chingwai along bangke la puse cherai pon lo ye la da along le bangke chumanga tum tiki long lo la pen la darat batela nitum ACA pen bustame kachuning ridon alam bang kela helo lang sahan so chi phurwek nai che phur phetik ke ladak ke khermiarat punon ACA punon la ke kroikre la pen chidon nunde la pen border alam pen a joine ladak ke kidam tang jilira skor along punon madan along pun setame ladak kambura tum dake West Gentia Hill pu kambura tuma sil lapen a writing pet ke do ko bangke manghume melo lang sabu thaka bangke council ben punon lapen kara tum punon SGB tum punon stame labangke insai vek nai athe me thanga dim se la hai ot langu ke klema bangke ili lang ding bangke chok chelo la pen gedam tang MP election bustame dak se ke do dak se la tum ga choklem dak se sai tu ki chuti kilo se tame alang tum vut jok jade bangke lang sa phu thakta prap jing pen ing sai nang ipusi ni tum ACA pen stame chuning ri lo pen sudak pen pachini lo
Meghalaya pen ke bang LPS bang kukang lo non cikloyon trok bate cikloyon trok siang bong pen ahoy central government pen thak po tu lumo jaman pusi putika pasela sto puthak mali iset po
langsa puthak ke nitum ACA pen ta chidon nunde athela ke 1951 demarcation lo la pen la ke nitum ACA pen punon matu neta chikroi dunde